Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting played with something. Oh my god. Okay, wait. You talk to the camera, Nini. You talk to the camera for a little bit.
Hello.
That. Can you see me? Of course you don't. Put a marshmallow here.
Oh, so many.
No. I think we can put this to our mouth. Okay, we got napkin here.
Okay.
Hey guys, Julia.
And Denise.
We're gonna be doing the Chubby Bunny. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! It's gonna be funny. Okay, some marshmallow fall down. And we're gonna do the Chubby
Bunny
Challenge. And this is called, what this game is, can you open the electric one? It's so hot. There's only one only. Okay, that's fine. Well, what this game is, we're going to take a marshmallow in our mouth, put it in our mouth, and then say Chubby Bunny. And the person cannot insert it inside will be the loser, or you cannot say Chubby Bunny. But you can say just though you can't fit on your mouth. That is all. And then who goes first is gonna sample. She go first, then I go first, and she go first, and I go first. Whoever the last person don't put a marshmallow, because this marshmallow is big, we can still put it in our mouth. We have a chance. Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, you go first. Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, okay, this is fun. You're a foreigner. Chubby Bunny. What? It's your turn. The only one. Insert that. Say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay. It's so hard. Chubby Bunny. Huh.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. I won. She cannot put marshmallow in her mouth again. And this is gross. Pretty gross. Chubby Bunny is so hard. So, are you gonna eat that or chew that? Are you gonna eat that? You don't need napkin. Ouch. Oh, what happened? No! Bye guys, hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. This game's hard. Bye.